This is a product about the Temple of Literature of Die Viet Group. The Temple of Literature is a relic consisting of many unique and detailed architectures built during the Le dynasty in Hanoi, Vietnam. We created this product with the goal of helping more people know and be able to visit and interact from afar about one of the greatest and has a rich history place in Vietnam. Weather and time columns contain times of day or weather including sunrise, sunset, day, night, rain. Users can change according to their desire to experience the Temple of Literature at any time and weather. The models of the architectures in the Temple of Literature are collected by the group from the pictures when visiting the field. The architectures in the Temple of Literature are reconstructed into 3D models using Blender technology through real images of the Temple of Literature with approximate proportions of models. Besides, we use Unity Engine for interaction. Users can move left and right, up and down, and have a 360-degree panoramic view at any position in the Temple of Literature. There are non-player characters in the Temple of Literature, non-player characters who act as people who come to visit and have some actions such as answering the phone, looking at the scenery. In the top right corner there is a circular minimap to track and know where the user is. The yellow bar represents the user in the minimap. The environment of Temple of Literature VR is compared and arranged according to the structure of the real monument with the existing architecture and the surrounding environment such as plants, flowers. The bookshelf contains information of the corresponding architecture in the Temple of Literature. The user can get information about a specific architecture such as when the architecture was built, the outstanding features of that architecture, etc. Stele of Doctors is the stele inscribed with the names of those who passed the doctoral examinations in the early Le dynasty, the Mac dynasty and the Le Trung Hung dynasty from 1442 to 1779 at the Temple of Literature, Hanoi, Vietnam. These steles have been recognized by UNESCO as a World Documentary Heritage. Due to historical changes, only 82 steles remain. King Le Ton Tong had the first steles erected at Temple of Literature for the Dinh examinations in previous years of the later Le dynasty. The first 7 steles were erected this year. The first person to study at the Temple of Literature is Lee Can Duc. The first poinsettia is engraved on the Stele of Doctors as Nguyen Truc and the last is Trin Tuesday. The number of poinsettias are there inscribed on the Stele of Doctors as 18. The menu is created so that the user knows the main features and to select the features easily and conveniently. It contains the features that users have such as visiting the environment of the Temple of Literature, playing the quiz game, please calligraphy the master and looking at their items. After exploring the environment of Van Miếu Quốc Tu Giám, users already know about the information related to this relic. From there, users can play quiz game, a game to choose the correct answer from 4 answers to that question. The content of the questions are related to the user knowledge introduced when visiting the Temple of Literature. Quiz game will have 10 questions. Each correct answer will get 10 coins and the player has a maximum of 100 coins in one turn. Users can play again to get more coins. Users can use the coins to please calligraphy the master. Calligraphy letters are written on calligraphic paper. Calligraphy paper has many different decorations to choose from. Besides, users can choose the letters they want including fuck, lock, though, hawk. Users can zoom in to see the calligraphy paper and read the text on it. Users use the coins obtained from quiz game to get the papers. A calligraphic paper need 100 coins to exchange. Items contains the total amount of coins the user has through the quiz game and what the user has redeemed.